Okay, this is to show that it's currently showing that it's not working, which means when there's 3 flashes and then a hold. So I'm going to turn this off. It off for a few seconds. I'm going to turn it on. See what happens. Let's turn the light. Didn't work. It's back to 3 flashes. So I come up here and go to this little flapper, stick my finger in there and adjust it. Just touch it. Okay. Well, go back down. Try this again. And turn it off. And then turn it back on. Let's try it again. All right, this time it lit. Now let's take a look at the little flapper. And it is open. That, my friends, is what I have to do to get this thing to work.